Now then, people. So that was quite put on because I feel absolutely awful. Right, so I've just come out here. I got no shoes on and I'm cross-legged onto the seat because I think it's about 1:30 in the afternoon and I'm giving up for the day. I'm going to go in the bath and call it a day because I'm fed up of feeling like this. Some of you might know like what's going on behind the backstory of me and things, and some of you might not. And let's just say that every day, now and again, I struggle. It's quite a big struggle, to be fair, and quite a lot of the time it's slow and steady. I told Adam about it when he came and I tried to explain a bit, but obviously I was too busy like thinking about the engine and Mini and stuff that I didn't really talk much about it. But every day is a struggle. Not every day, but most of the days are a struggle for me, and I do find it quite hard now and again to get out here and do a bit. So today I've come out here. I woke up feeling absolutely awful, and you might hear from my voice that I feel awful. But yeah, so I came out here yesterday and done quite a lot. I got the spray gun out and I started spraying some areas on the car that need redoing and blending in and stuff like that. So I got to do a bit of T-cut and sort that out. The interior lights finished apart from the seat belts and the dash, but I started, why not, let's do a rewire. So I started wiring up everything again and redoing all the loom and things like that and sorting some issues out. Yeah, so it went on from there, and I came out this morning and I realised I've put the spring on the brake shoes wrong, so I've redone that. What else have I done? Sprayed the front valance again, and that's about it because my head's banging. I can't move very well at the minute, yeah, I feel awful. But all that I'm going to say is like it's leg related and it's both of them, and we find out exactly what's happening on the 9th of January, and they're going to tell me whether or not they're going to operate on both of them and sort them out. So earlier I was having to use my hands to get up rather than my legs, and I tried to get up and I kept on collapsing, and not collapsing, but like I couldn't bear. They kept on giving way basically. So I'm going to end this video here. I know it's really short, and I know it's a bit of a teaser really of what sort of things are coming and what's going on. Second video of the year. Thank you everyone who liked the other video and watched it. Really appreciate that. I was sat at Laura's and yeah, it was good. I was just sat there and obviously the premiere started and I was sat there. She was watching it as well. I was commenting and stuff like that. Laura, if you're watching this, I do love you and I do want you, and I hope we can speak soon and sort things out. So yeah, so thank you everyone who watched the other video. Thank you everyone for the nice comments as well. Do appreciate it. Everyone was saying I got guts to, like, I don't have guts. I just I open my mouth without thinking sometimes, so I've got to be a bit careful, as Laura always says. But yeah, I am sorry to everyone. I'm sorry to Laura as well for being a bit, not big-headed, but a bit over the top now and again. I do appreciate everything you do for me. I do love you, and I do really want you. Because I thought I had all of it planned up in my head. Like fucking me and you go like, yeah, like me and you driving around in the Mini and yeah, having adventures and stuff. So Laura, if you're watching this, I love you so much, and I want you, and I hope we can speak soon. So I'll end this video here. As I'm just telling, well, I'm going to go and get in the bath whilst it's uploading, and that's me done for another week. And I've sorted out my job for the future today. All that's application sorted. I have sorted all that, and then obviously Monday I go back to school, which is going to be absolutely amazing. I honestly cannot wait to be back at school. Sarcasm. And try and now, because I've got 5 months left, try and stay out of trouble and stop arsing about with different bits and people and stuff. But yeah, my head's banging. I can't think of what I'm saying, so I'm just rambling. And thank you everyone for the support so far. This year's the year for me, for the car, maybe Laura, who knows. And yeah, I'll speak to you all very soon. Please check the description for my social media. Please check the description for my shop and for the GoFundMe page. I'm not going to go on about the GoFundMe page anymore. This is the last time I'm going to mention it. Thank you everyone. Here's a bit of footage of a bit of sanding I did on the wing, but I'd understand if you turn it off now. It's a bit of a time lapse. Video's only about 12 minutes long probably. But yeah, thank you everyone, love you all, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.